Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Harmony One Coin. Earlier I shared two ideas on Harmony One Coin. One was this broadening formation, another one was this symmetrical triangle. Let me just show you this chart first and then I'll take you to the current situation, what the price line is doing right now. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon for my members. And if you would like to support me here, then I have also shared the link to join me here in the video description. You can find there. Okay, this was the idea that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 26th of September, and that was the formation of a broadening wedge or broadening formation, and the price line after breaking out this resistance was retesting the previous resistance as a support. We had a very nice support at 14.5 cents. Now I'm just playing the chart and you can see that the price line tested this support again and rallied very well, and even this rally was even beyond the sell targets which I have defined as per this pattern. And the next chart was this symmetrical triangle that I also shared in my previous video with you as well, and that was on the 4-hourly time frame, and our first target was $2.66, so 26.6 cents as per this next upcoming resistance, and the next target, the final target, was 29.5 cents, and that was the measurement from this support of the triangle up to this resistance. And by placing it here, we had the projection of this upcoming move that was our final sell target of 29.5 cents. Now I'm just going to play the chart and you can see that the price line has so far reached the first target, and I'm waiting for the second target. But if we move to the daily live time frame chart, then we can see that on the daily time frame we have a big rising wedge pattern, and this pattern is considered as a bearish reversal among the traders community. And if we will have a breakdown from the support of the rising wedge, then it can move down all the way up to here. That is the support or this tail of the rising wedge here, that is approximately at 12 cents. That will be a really drastic drop. But in case of breakout from this resistance, our next target will be, if I place this trend line here, then that is really huge target, that is 38.9 cents. And if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, because on the 4-hourly time frame it is showing us this rising channel, this up channel, and using this channel we can catch an early breakout from this big rising wedge pattern. And if the price line will be closed above this resistance of the this up channel, then we can have an idea that the price line is also going to break out this big rising wedge as well. And in case of breakout from this up channel, our imminent target will be, if I place this trend line here at the breakout point, for example, if we will have a breakout from here, then that will be 2.99 cents. It means that we are going to achieve our this target, the final target, that is 29.5 cents, because it is showing us the projection to 29.9 cents. And in this situation we will be also out of this resistance of this big rising wedge as well, and in that situation the price line can also reach the target of this rising wedge, that is approximately 38 cents. Now there is another probability that, for example, if we will have a breakdown from the support of the rising wedge, then we have a very strong support zone that I already showed you in my previous video as well, that starts from 21.5 cents and goes to 22.5 cents. So it is also possible that if the price line breaks down this support, then price line will be bounced by this support zone, because you can see previously this support zone has been working as a very strong resistance, and here it is working as a very strong support. But I would like to repeat it again, that in order to catch early signals whether we are going to break out the resistance or break down the support of this rising wedge, we need to watch this rising channel or up channel. If the price line breaks out the resistance of this channel, then there will be a very strong probability that the price line will also break out the resistance of this rising wedge. And if the price line breaks down the support of this channel, then there will be a possibility that the price line is also going to break down the support of this rising wedge. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.